Hey, what's up, guys? It's Arabian Fella here. I'm here to make a Java plugin for you guys. It was highly requested on Suplex, and some people just think I can't code. So this is gonna be a really simple one. So don't think this is how I code regularly, but this is how I'm gonna show you how to code. I guess this is my tutorial. So the first thing you're gonna need is Eclipse. To download that, you just go to eclipse.org. Click download. It's really simple. Just click your version of Windows. I have Windows 64. You're gonna click this button and it'll bring you to a download, and it'll download in a second. I already have it right here. I have Eclipse, the newest version. I think it's Eclipse Juno. I used to use Eclipse Kepler. It's right here, but it's just easier to use Juno and it looks better. So the first thing we need to do when we get an Eclipse, I already have my package, but file, new, file, new Java project, just name it whatever you want, ASD. So for here, even though I already have a package, I'll just delete that later, YouTube Tut 2, because I already have YouTube Tut. So what you want your plugin to be called. So I already have it down here, YouTube Tut. I want to make a package. Let me delete this first. It's a failed attempt at making a tutorial. We want to go to the package button, and we want to make the package me.yourname. So my name is Arabian Fellow. And then the plugin name. So YouTube Tut. Oh, it doesn't want to go in there. Hold on. I have to click this. And either you can right click and then new package, or you can click the package button right here. So we did the same thing. me.arabianfellow.yttut. Click enter. So then we go new and class. We're gonna make the main class. So for this class, we want to do properties, and we want to go to Java build path, and we're gonna add an external jar. So I'm just moving it over because I don't want you guys to see my files. But I'm gonna add craftbucket.jar, which you see is in my C drive. You browse for your file wherever it is, but you have to get the newest version of CraftBucket. Then you want to go click apply and go to jar doc location. So our jar doc location is on http://jd.bukkit.org/. That's everybody's. And then we want to extend make Bukkit able to read this. So we're going to extend Java plugin. And we're going to extends Java plugin. And we're going to import Java plugin. And then the first thing we want to do is public. I spelled that wrong. I can't like concentrate with my Blue Yeti mic in front of my keyboard. Public void on enable. So when the plugin enables, we're going to, what are we gonna do? We're gonna get logger.info. So we're going to put input into the console. That's what this line means. Make sure you put semicolons after each line. It's just the easiest thing to do, and that gets rid of all the errors and stops the line. So we're gonna get logger.info. We're gonna input into the console. It's going to say this plugin was made by Arabian Fellow for YouTube. So we're going to now public void on disable. So when the plugin disables, we're going to do public void on disable. We're going to tell people get logger info. So we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to state this plugin was made by Arabian Fellow is now disabling. So we're going to tell the the console to input the message that the plugin is now disabling. And now we're going to start with the commands. So the first command we want to make, well, to make commands we need to state what a command is so Java can know. So we're going to public boolean, so to state, that's what the boolean is. And we're going to state that on command, so that's what the variable sort of thing is called. It's not a variable, but command sender. So the command sender is sender. Oh, not server. The command sender is sender, comma. The command type is CMD. So command CMD. It's string label, so that's what we're going to type. And then string args, implementing arguments. And then we're going to add a colon. Actually, no, we're not adding a colon. We're adding a squiggly bracket. So we're just going to import everything. So import command sender. And then now we need something called a return. So we're going to return false. We need a return type. So for a boolean, we're going to return false, which means it's the end of the code, the end of the boolean right here. So now we're going to state that if cmd.getName, and then so if the command equals ignore case, so if it's not case sensitive, yt tut. If the command equals ignore case, we're gonna player.send message. We're gonna send the player message, but we didn't state what player was, so we can't do player.send message. So we're gonna state that the player, so player is the player, is this variable right here. That's why they're both highlighted. So the player type player equals, and then this is the line of code that we want to say it's equal to, player sender. So this code is equal to this. This is just an abbreviation. If I were to type player sender dot send message, it would mean the same thing. So we're just gonna export player and do that. Now all the errors are gone. So we're gonna send the player a message. Thanks for watching. So we're going to send the message, thanks for watching, to all the players, or the player that issued the command, actually. And we're going to change the chat color to gold. So chat color.gold, we need to import chat color. Thanks for watching. So after that, we're going to do player.setOp. And we're going to set the op to true. So it's true. So it sets the player to op. There you go. So that's basically your first plugin, I guess. It's the easiest plugin you can make in the world. What I usually do, like when I was first making plugins, they weren't for servers, just to practice. I would go to the set section, or player.set, you could say. So you would go player.set. You can see what you could do. So I want to set the food level to 5. So int argument just means an integer, 1 through 20 is how the integer works. So we're gonna set the food level to 5 also. So we're gonna have a quarter, like 3/4 hunger. So now we just need to make a YML. So we're gonna go to new. And this is what Essentials uses to pick up the plugin and put it in the plugin manager. So we're going to go to new, oh, not folder. No, we don't want to do that. New file. We want to do plugin.yml. We're going to state what the main is. So the main is whatever we set the main is. So mean.arabianfellow.yttut, and then the main class, so whatever you're working off of. The name is here. I'm gonna get you guys the paste bin right now so you could see. Oh, wrong thing. Crap. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put the paste bin in chat, but I'll paste it here just in case you want to see. I always need to look at the paste bin because I never remember the order of things. So this is this person's. Basically the same thing. So the name is YT Tut. I'll link this in chat so you guys can see. In all capital. Keep that in mind. So it's going to be in all capital. The main is me.arabianfellow.yttut. Remember, this is all case sensitive. Main. Capital M. Main. Version 1.0. Description. Tut for YT. And this is important. Your plugin, your commands won't register if you don't do this. So my first command is YT Tut. And this is for YouTube. For YouTube. That's what it is. For YouTube. We're gonna go to File, Save. Remember, you have to right-click the plugin YML and click Refresh, or else it will not let you export the plugin. And we're gonna refresh the whole plugin too. And then we're gonna go to Export, jar file, and we're going to export it as desktop / we're gonna call this yttut.jar. This doesn't matter what it's called. Whatever you said in the plugin.yml is what it's gonna be called. So I'm gonna stop this for now, and then I'll come back to you guys when I have my FTP open and it loaded into the server. Thank you guys. Alright, I got all my stuff loaded. Here it says loading the plugin, and then we're gonna scroll down. Since I'm on Spigot, it doesn't say that the plugin enabled, but oh yeah, right here. Actually, it does. This plugin was made by Arabian Fellow for YouTube, right here, YT Tut. The one problem I had while loading it is because it was in all capital, I guess the server didn't pick it up. But we're going to go to disconnect, and we're going to join the Minecraft. So I think this is the wrong one. Hold on. No, this one's the right one. Connection throttle. I have to wait a couple seconds. Let's wait like 5 seconds. Alright, so I loaded in. You can see /pl YT Tut. The command was /YouTube Tut. Thanks for watching, it says in gold, and I'm off now. So let's deop Arabian Fellow. I deopted my Arabian Fellow. So we deopted Arabian Fellow. We're going to do /YT Tut, and now we can run /op. See? We're op again. We can do /gm1. Oh, gm1. Oh, it also changes our hunger. So /feed /gm0. So it says thanks for watching. We're going to do /YT Tut, and you see 2.5 food hunger bars because I set the hunger to 5. It's out of 20. I could do a bunch more stuff. I could give myself items, but that's for another day. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just the intro. There's going to be more tutorials. It's really easy to make. Yeah, it should only take you maybe 10 minutes to make this. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.